How to change leverage on paper trading on TradingView. Are you guys facing issue to change your leverage on paper trading? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open TradingView on a laptop device. Once you open up your TradingView, now look at the bottom of your screen where you can see the option for paper trading. Click on it. Once you click on it, now tap on the setting icon over here. Now click on reset account. So you can see the option for leverage over here. To change your leverage, now click on this menu option over here and choose it according to preference. Once you choose it, now click on reset. So as you guys can see, your leverage has been changed. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.